Have you ever seen those action movies where the hero is always prepared for any situation with their trusty backpack full of gadgets and tools? Well, that's not just for the movies anymore. In this video, we're going to share the top 8 next-level bug-out gear that you need. A lineup that elevates your camping game to a whole new level. Bug-out bags are set to redefine your camping experience. Let's get ready, set, camp. Revolutionize your fire starting capabilities with the Procamptek Fire Strip Roll, a weatherproof waxed fire starter tinder tape that's a must-have for your emergency, camping, and survival needs. This 55-foot roll crafted with North American ingenuity is your go-to fire starter, lighting up effortlessly with flint-based spark generators or even an empty lighter. Its unique wax coating ensures weatherproof performance and easy ignition. Using the fire strip roll is as simple as tearing off a small strip from the inside, breaking up the wax coating with your fingers, and exposing the paper fibers with small, jagged tears. With its performance at affordable price at just $17, the Procamptek Fire Strip Roll is an indispensable addition to any bug-out bag or outdoor enthusiast toolkit. Embark on your adventures with the confidence of Holtzman Survival Kit Paracord Grenade, the #1 best 48-tool emergency kit that's always ready for action. This compact and versatile paracord grenade is packed with 48 essential tools, meticulously curated to handle any survival situation, and goes for around $75. It comes with a fire starter, LED flashlight, razor blade, fishing hooks, needle, thread, pocket knife, compass, and more. It's like having a Swiss Army knife on steroids. Holtzman stands behind their product with an unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. Their unconditional 100% satisfaction guarantee ensures that you're covered no matter what. So elevate your survival preparedness with Holtzman's Survival Kit Paracord Grenade. Embrace the ultimate peace of mind with the RinoReady Prepacked Survival Bag, the revolutionary survival system designed to keep you prepared for any emergency. This meticulously crafted survival kit is meticulously engineered to provide everything you need for the crucial first 72 hours of any situation and goes for $3.99. Included in this bag, you'll have 2 pairs of gloves, raincoats, blankets, and warmers, 2 tools including a full tang blade, magnesium ferro rod, multi-tool, and more. This beast is also fire resistant, boasting a 1200D microhex bonded waterproof construction, quick access Velcro base, and 6 custom modular components. So gear up. RinoReady is a symbol of preparedness, a mindset that empowers you to face any challenge head on. Experience the pinnacle of outdoor safety and security with the Lockhart Tactical Trip Alarm, a revolutionary device that transforms wilderness adventures into secure and unforgettable experiences. This versatile device redefines protection with its unmatched features and unwavering performance, and sells for $135. Its sleek, lightweight design, 33% lighter than its predecessor, ensures portability and ease of use. Its integrated MOLLE attachment points and webbing allows for effortless mounting on trees, posts, or backpacks, while additional holes provide flexibility for paracord or screw mounting. Each pack includes the 12-gauge Status Gen 2 device, a mounting hardware kit, a trip pin, and two 16-meter rot-proof ultra-high-strength tripwires. Elevate your preparedness with the Survival Outdoors Longer 70% Reflective Escape Bivey, a game-changer multifunctional survival tool that's worth every penny. This highly durable, water-resistant bivey provides exceptional protection against outdoor elements, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable even in harsh conditions. And for under $50, it's a must-have. The bivey's innovative design prevents condensation from forming inside, keeping your surroundings dry and comfortable. It effectively wicks away moisture while keeping rain and snow out. Beyond its primary function as a bivey, this versatile piece of gear can also serve as a camping tarp, a lightweight sleeping bag, or an emergency shelter. So whether you're braving the elements or seeking a multifunctional camping companion, the Survive Outdoors Longer Escape Bivey is your trusted partner. Illuminate your outdoor adventures with the Aid Carabiner Light Kit, a versatile and portable LED light that transforms into a mini lantern, a signal, or even a night light, all for under $30. It features 4 light modes that give you hours of runtime. From red to low, high and flashing red, it's your all-in-one lighting solution. The Aid also boasts a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that powers up in just 40 minutes, with a runtime of up to 4 hours. This light will keep you illuminated throughout your adventures. Rain or shine, this light's got your back. Just clip it onto your backpack shoulder or sternum strap with the webbing adapter for hands-free lighting on the trail or sidewalk. Enhance your outdoor journey with the Holtzman Bloodline Bushcraft Survival Knife Gift Set, a revolutionary tool crafted to match the rugged reliability of your adventurous soul. This isn't just any knife. It's a testament to precision engineering and exceptional craftsmanship. It's made of 1095 high-carbon steel blade that only measures 4 inches in length. This material ensures razor-sharp cuts that effortlessly slide through wood, paper, plastic, or aluminum. Holtzman's Bloodline knife also goes beyond just a knife. It includes a flint rod and G10 scraper, allowing you to start a fire in any environment, and an Allen wrench to keep all attachments snug on the K-sheath. All for just $99. Packaged in a sleek gift box, this exceptional knife set is the perfect present for any nature enthusiast. Embark on your next expedition with the Adventuremate version 2, the ultimate mega multi-tool that revolutionizes your camping experience. This versatile tool is your one-stop shop for all your outdoor needs. It comes with an axe, perfect for chopping and splitting wood, a hammer, and a hook, ideal for pulling out tent pegs. And here's the beauty. It also has a patented locking mechanism that lets you seamlessly switch between tools and lock them back into place with a simple cam lever. For around $250, you're getting unmatched quality and durability. And the best part, the Adventuremate is incredibly lightweight, with a 16-inch composite handle housing all 5 tools, weighing in at just 4.5 pounds, making it a true outdoor, indispensable companion. And there you have it, fellow campers. the top 8 next-level bug-out bag gear that's bound to take your outdoor adventures to new heights. If you've got a favorite or there's a must-have we missed, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you found this gear guide helpful, subscribe for more camping wisdom, and share the outdoor love with your camping buddies. Check the description for links to these incredible products. Perfect if you're thinking of surprising a friend or leveling up your own camping arsenal. Until next time, stay prepared, stay adventurous, and as always, let's keep the campfire spirit alive. Happy camping!